Now, what have I
You
done?
see that hookup we came here to do? We are going to do it. What? Get out from here. Get out. Okay. We are going to do that.
I no wan do.
We are going to do it.
Come on, abeg.
God,
No be like abeg, calm down, abeg.
what have I not done? Because of all this things. I'm talking to you. You want? Why would you slap me? How much do you think your 50K would do? What do you think your 50K can do for me? Look at me. Can't you see how classy I am? Shut up!
Why you go slap me?
I don't mind. When you pass because of all this nonsense. Oh, what can you do for me? Respect yourself.
I know you.
You know me. How? Where did you know me?
You get for hookup. Hi guys, it's your boy OG Berry Comedy, aka Oluwa Ofadu. Adeya is my guy.
Uncle Dave comedy.
Uncle Dave Comedy, I'm my client here.
Justice.
Justice, yeah, tell me story for my Facebook, story that touches the heart. But I no believe for the story, sha. According to him, he tell me say Inge sister. What's her name?
Choma.
Inge sister Choma. How old the girl dey?
Nah, I don't old person like 4 years now. I did 25 now. She be small picking.
Okay, dey
Just
25.
20, 21.
Okay, she fit be 20 or 21.
21.
Yes, him talk say dis her sister wey be 20 to 21 years now. Say him don dey stay with dis him sister for many years, right from the time wey him sister bin dey small. Say him parents bin die 2 years ago. After their parents don die, na him be the one wey dey take care of dis him sister. Na him dey keep am up for everything. Na him dey buy am everything, and say him dey place am on monthly salary of 70. Is it 70,000 or
50,000.
50,000 naira every month? Chai, love. Brotherly love. Omo, him tell me say based on how things come be with am for some months now, him talk say okay, make him leave him house wey him bin dey stay for him sister. Make him sister for dey stay for dis house, make him dey go work. Sha, make him no be like say na me dey talk am, make him dey use him mouth explain. Chama, abeg explain for us.
As you know, say my name is Justice. As you know, I dey live with my younger sister, Choma. You know, ever since her papa died 2 years ago, I've been the one, keeping the family together. As per, say, how man go do now? You know, go allow your younger sister dey suffer. So, I can't get situation now where we say I dey leave for work every week. They come back every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, I come back on rest. Monday, I go back up, go do my hustle. Keep small thing for her. At least every month, 50,000 plus some kind things. If I dey come out, I could just drop some things like that. Well, I just come one weekend like that. My guy is going for here. I come dey tell me say my sister dey do hookup. I come dey laugh say hook up for wetin? Say wetin she dey do hook up? Me wey no know my sister since small. Like I no believe am. I know even now sef I still no believe am. But the way they dey talk this thing, na the thing come dey worry me, I come dey look my sister one eye, dey notice am, but I no wan talk anything. So I just decide say okay, may I just kill this conscience wey I get now. Come this Thursday, come see wetin go happen. Na why I come meet this my guy. I say make I just test am out whether wetin dey talk na true or not.
Okay, guys. According to what he said, he told me this thing 2 days ago. So I gave him an idea. I told him to take permission from him workplace, come back this Thursday, come check him house, whether him go see him sister. So he got me this early this morning. He tell me say he don come back oh, he come check his sister, him door dey lock. Say him ask the neighbor wey bin dey live for that compound. Dem talk say since Monday wey him comot for house, say him sister no dey house. Imagine, since na Monday comot.
Na Monday na.
Monday him comot for house, him sister follow am, like your sister dey follow you for back. Him comot, him no dey for house till from Monday to Thursday. Now this time him sister no dey for house. So him come tell me say how far my sister no dey for house oh, and him don call him number, him sister no pick the call. Why him go dey do like that? Me, I not still believe am. I think say e be like say e get any of im relative wey im sister don go
No,
visit. Na
no,
wetin
maybe
me I
not.
think, because me I no for see any reason why be say im sister for dey do hookup.
Almost.
E
I don't believe.
I
I
no
don't know,
believe,
sir.
I no believe dat kain thing. So me I no sure. So like dis now, we go call im sister. Now we go call im sister to clear im own conscience, so make we see whether dis im sister dey do hookup, because me now I no believe, I no know whether im don believe am, me I no believe. So now im go give us dat im sister number, make we call dat im sister, make I just see whether I go fit know whether wetin di sister dey do, whether na hookup or im just go visit all those kain. But me I no believe, I no sure say di sister dey do hookup. Chioma no worry, di sister no dey do hookup, yeah. I know, because me I
You
no
don't
see
call
any
any of
reason.
your relatives if your sister did there.
If I call relative now, I'm go become suspicious. So may I
So
just find out myself
na
first.
true,
Okay,
na
So
not
true.
true.
Make im no too come cast am, but me I
Maybe
no
say
sure.
the girl don't lost.
now I know say whether this one are true. But
Well, me I no believe, but any idea, unbelief abeg give me your phone. You carry your number off hand now.
now I type am.
So guys, as long as you are watching this video, please do well to click the follow button, like, comment and share this video. Please support, share this video for us, abeg, abeg, share the video for us.
Number be that.
Okay, where is my caller? Na him be this. Sure say the number dey correct. This one gone dey like say no complete. Swing am abi.
Yeah.
See na him, wetin be her name?
Chioma.
Hello,
Hello.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing now?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good, I'm good. I'm Richard by name.
Okay.
What's your name,
Um,
please?
I'm Chioma. How may I help you?
Okay, I got your number from one of your friends like that, because I told her that I was looking for a girl to stay with these days, because normal, you know as e dey be now, con dey wire me wetin no go. So him tell me say make I call this your number, say e dey into hookup, make I check whether e dey available. So I
I don't
just,
understand, guy. I don't understand. I'm into hookup. Who gave you my number?
na your friend give me your number, I no go fit tell you her
Which
name.
of my friend? What's her name?
I no go fit tell you her name because him just give me the number, talk say
I
okay.
don't understand. How person will just carry my number give you? You're telling me I'm into hookup. Who told you I'm into hookup?
Na that your friend tell
Eh?
me, calm down now, no be you never reach like that.
No, we should be never written. How will you just call somebody and you're telling me hookup? Why tell you I'm a hookup girl?
Na wetin your friend tell me
See, you
na.
people need to stop all this rubbish show. Where did you get? Who gave you my number?
Na your friend, I go pay you money o, no be
My
something.
friend gave you my number, and so you're going to pay me. And so did I tell you I need money from you?
No,
Oh,
no
so
vex.
see, let me warn you. Don't call my number again. I'm not into hookup, okay?
Abeg, no vex, no vex, yeah. Maybe na wrong number. Hey,
She didn't do hookup. I said she didn't do hookup
see,
now.
for this life, you see this
See,
life,
she didn't do
e get
hookup.
some people wey be say dem see say whether this your husband or this your sister don dey do well, understand? Or this your, dem go find way to spoil am.
See
This
life.
girl no dey do hookup.
She
Just
didn't
imagine
do
as she dey shout.
She even dey even vex for you sef.
Even the vex for me, there's no one even na.
Oh man.
Oh boy, so guys, now you don find out say this your sister no dey do well. So wetin you suppose do now be say that your friend, maybe e be like say him don ask that him sister out, that him sister no wan tell him, no come gree, na him make.
Why you dey do like this?
No go do, okay, imagine now him just say he go attack that him sister, all those kind of
Na
stuff.
person image dey
Hey, explain.
Na the stuff na, na person image.
thank God. This thing don't
You don't you won't get high BP. High blood
You know
pressure.
say I fit go to work now.
If you just,
I'm not doing hookup. What do you mean you're not
what are
doing it? I'm
what
not
are
playing here.
what are you here for?
What are you here for?
Come on, go work. Dey
Go
get
work
free
freely
mind,
now.
get free mind.
Wow.
Person dey
Wait,
come in.
who be that? Wait, na no be this.
Nah, I know,
Calm down, calm down.
Why should they call again?
E be like say she just wan warn me, make e no be like
Are you
say.
sure one of us? Pick on
Wait,
now.
wait, calm down, calm down. The big self dey. Him don end the call.
Don't end the call.
Why she go end it? E be like say she wan, na mistake she do for all this her number, but
Really?
no worry, she no be that kind person. She no be that kind person. Open your phone, she no, if na that kind person, she no suppose shout.
In the call again now.
Calm down, calm down. Hello,
Hello?
how far?
Um, sorry for the way I shouted at you. So how much can you pay? Your location, please.
Wait, wait, I don't understand. You dey do the hookup or
Guy, leave that one first. Just forget about that one. How much can you pay? Your
okay,
location.
okay, how much you dey collect?
Um, 15,000.
15,000 naira. Okay, that one no be problem now. I'm going to paste you the location after this call. I go send the location give you. Share this number dey WhatsApp.
No.
Okay, I'm going to send it as text message, understand? As SMS. No worry, I'm going to send you the location. Abeg, if I send you the location, just start coming abeg, yeah?
All right.
No,
Thank you.
no, I'm expecting you, okay?
Okay.
Oh boy, oh boy, no, this one no be laughing matter. Oh. This one, now which kind be this one now?
50,
Guy, calm down, calm down.
You see how much they give her every month?
15,000.
No, calm down.
How much they give her every month?
50,000.
Wait, you get wetin just enter my head. E be like say the girl wan carry people come, make dem come see who wan use am do hookup so dat dem go attack us. How you see am? Because me, I no sure say this girl na hookup she dey come. Make I just send am the location.
Just send her location. We will go down guard too. In case.
No, im brother dey here na, even if him come.
Okay. Okay, not true.
So guys, as you are watching this video, please do well to share this video, please share this video, please try. This girl, oh god.
No, just send the location address.
Hold the video after if she dey come, go start the video. Just cut am.
Hello?
How far, babe?
I'm at the street.
You dey the streets?
Yes.
Okay, no worry. I will come pick you up.
Okay.
Just wait for me, okay?
Okay.
Oh boy, see as e be. Calm down, calm. See as e be. See as e be. You and you go follow una go una just type for that side. Una just
You know, see, you know,
abeg una no allow shey na abeg I dey beg you abeg make im dey small small abeg no beat am abeg no fight abeg na fight you go open dis your phone for me you go full am idea abeg no allow me miss
you never hide.
yes you full am idea na fight the phone so I go fit call am abeg no allow me miss you abeg two man abeg I dey beg of you abeg no I go pick am up.
Thank you. I thought you were going to a hotel.
No, yes, my yard is still.
Hey, you see, please.
Yes, this one na my friend is still. The other one na me. No fear na my place. I no just want to like finish yeah. Just sharp. Na fine. No, I do. I do.
Okay, how you doing?
Then na my friend.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
I'm sorry about that.
Okay. You're going to increase the money.
That one no be issue.
No, no issue, man.
Maybe person.
So that's that.
Maybe person.
So that's so I came to see a friend.
Came to see a friend.
Yes,
Came to
yes,
see a
yes,
friend.
yes,
How?
yes.
How about calm down? Calm down.
My friend.
You came to see a friend. Or you came for hookup. Which one?
Which hookup?
Wait.
John, what are you doing here now?
I came to see a friend. Yeah, one of my yes. She is this like yeah. Sorry.
What is your name?
Hey,
You know us? You know us?
No,
You know me?
What? You're coming here for what?
Calm down.
I came
Calm down.
to see a friend.
Friend, now which friend? Are these people your friend?
No, I don't know them.
You don't know me?
You know,
No, you know the now.
You that accepted to hookup.
no.
Baba, calm down.
Who should think I'm here now? What are you talking about? But I don't know them. I
But
don't
you know
know
her.
them.
But you know him.
Yes,
You know
my
her?
brother, my elder brother.
You know her?
Yes, my elder brother.
Wow.
What are you?
Now that is sister be this. But why you go dey do hookup?
I don't understand.
But after the money when they give you every month, you go.
Chuma,
Why you go dey do hookup?
how much are you like? 50K.
Yes.
Okay. 50K. What are you using 50K for?
For my upkeep.
Upkeep. Then what do you need 15,000 naira?
I'm not doing hookup.
What do you mean you're not doing it? I'm not doing it.
What are you here for?
What are you here for?
What are you here for?
I met a friend.
A
Do
friend,
you know
which
me?
of
Do
your
I
friends?
know you?
I know you.
You know me?
came
How?
for
Where did you
hookup.
know me?
You came for hookup.
Brother, I'm sorry. I can't.
Come on,
Come on,
abeg.
come on.
God, eh,
Don't be like that, abeg. Calm down, abeg.
what have I not done?
I'm sorry.
What have I not done?
I'm sorry.
Okay, you came to do
I came
hookup.
to see a
You
friend.
came.
Shut up! Shut up! Why
Why you go slap me?
I don't mind. When you pass because of this nonsense.
Why you go slap me?
I'm sorry. I can't do.
What's all this thing?
Why you go slap me now?
Why you go slap me?
I came to see a friend.
You came
I'm
to do
sorry.
hookup.
Mama, come.
See a friend.
I came to see a friend.
Why you go slap me now?
Wait, why you go slap me?
Are you confused?
Even she can't even because of all this nonsense.
Of
I
what?
told her to come here. Get that from my face.
Wait.
For that, please, I'm sorry now. Please, I'm sorry. I came
Come on, guy. Now you got him come.
Why she go slap me now? Why she go slap me now?
Stop.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not doing I
You what? You what? No, Chema, he never reach like that. Chema, he never reach like that. I think. If he just forgive her, he never reach like that. Nah. He never reach like that. Nah.
sorry.
I see 1 week, Monday to Friday.
I'm sorry.
You don't know what I used to do Monday to Friday.
I'm sorry.
And I
Please,
don't know what to say. And in fact,
You part because of all this.
I'm
Why
talking to you. You want I'll
Chema,
would you slap me?
On top now.
Why did you slap me? How much do you think your 50K would do?
See,
What do you think your 50K can do for me? Look at me. Can't you see how classy I am? What do you think your 50K can do for me?
just imagine. See, so you're telling your elder brother.
my sister be this.
50K? What is 50K? What can your 50K do for me? Rubbish. See, you part because of all this nonsense. You part because of all this nonsense. I said we don't do the because of all this nonsense.
You slap your.
Yes, I will slap you again.
You slap your
How dare you
brother.
slap me? What is 50K? What can your 50K
My
do for
sister be
me?
this.
Rubbish.
You don't see him now.
Chuma, you slap.
Oga,
Yeah.
leave him.
Oga, abeg.
Chuma, don't do anything.
Chema,
What can your 50K do for me?
Chema, abeg, leave am, abeg. Chema, abeg, leave am, no kill am now, abeg. No kill am,
I
abeg.
don't get this trend.
Pause this video.
Don't do.
Chema, abeg, leave am, abeg. Chema, abeg, leave am. See wetin he dey do.
Respect yourself. You part because of all this nonsense.
Why you go be?
Because of all this nonsense. Rubbish. What is 50K? What can 50K do for me? Look at me. Just take a look at me. That's how I am. What 50K do for me? Rubbish.
What can 50K do?
Yes. What can 50K do for
See
me?
that 15,000. Carry everything, every of your belongings.
Yes, I will leave.
Leave.
Yes, I will leave.
And in fact,
I will
from
leave.
now on, I don't know you.
Rubbish. I will leave. Do I know you? Do you know me? Did I came here to see you? Do I came here to see you?
Jesus.
Rubbish.
Jesus.
You have not started. What is Jesus? You have not started.
You slapped me.
Go.
You
go,
slapped me.
Yes, and I will slap you again.
You slapped me.
Because of all this nonsense, I will slap you again.
You slapped me.
Rubbish. Yes. Nonsense.
Cause this video. What am I dey go? What am I dey go?
Where are you going to?
What have I done now? What have I done?
Is that hookup we came here to do? We are going to do it. What? Get out from here. Get out. We are going to do that.
I no wan do.
We are going to do it.
I no
You are
wan
going to
do.
pay me that money. Yes.
Wait, if na your money, ma give am for you.
You are the boss.
Wait, if na
Wait,
open your phone, ma use your phone do transfer. Make I
You are the boss of all
If
if na your money, I go do for you. Make you leave me abeg. He even agree to do the hookup.
Yes. Because I need the money. Yes. You are because of all this
Wait,
nonsense.
wait.
How much?
I raised hard on me because
I
of how
want
much.
give am 15,000.
Yes.
Even they agree to do the hookup.
It's none of your business. I need the money. It's my work.
Leave me first now. Give me.
Wait, see, don't do.
Call your account number for am.
Call your
01
01
90
90
08
08
45 60.
Leave me
Sir,
first now.
I'm not leaving you to transfer the money for me.
Choma,
Wait, let me get my phone.
Wait. I don't send that.
What's the problem?
You will wait.
I don't
See
do,
alert.
don't do, don't do.
Check
I don't send her.
See, I see alert.
I don't send her. Leave her, leave
See,
her,
I'm
leave her.
here
I
now.
don't send her. Leave her, leave her.
See,
I
I'm-
don't send the money.
You have your job. Rubbish.
Guys, I beg God,
Guy, move the go out, abeg. See my body. Move
but
the
this
go
one
out.
don't ruffle. You sure say you go fit repent?
If you talk again, I will slap you.
Rest now, rest.
Move the go, move
End
the
the
go.
call.
Oga, move the go.
Cut the video.
Move the go now.
Cut the video.
Why you carry me come here?